Hey, what's up? I'm Shane, and today on Learn English with Shane, I have a lesson for you involving using conditionals. What does that mean? Conditionals. That just means clearly that if one part of the sentence happens, then the other part will happen. For example, so it's structured like this: if plus the subject plus the present tense verb, or it can be a present progressive, which I'll tell you what that is. I had to think about that. Like, what is that? Then the other part is the subject plus a conditional, will, may, can, plus a base verb. So, for example, here it all is. If it rains tomorrow, I will take my umbrella. So obviously it's conditional on taking your umbrella because it has to rain, right? So you can see if, whichever way it goes, it happens, then it will depend that what they're going to do, how it's going to change. If you help me, we can finish earlier. So again, you have the conditional can is going to depend if they get help. So part A has to first happen before B can happen. If you get there early, you may get a gift. So again, the conditional is you have to get there early, and then the key word may, you may get a gift, but you have to first do this. So now let's talk about the present progressive. What is that? So it's basically almost the same thing, but it's like this: if he isn't working right now, he may want to come over for dinner. So if he isn't working, he may want to come over for dinner. You could say that, but this is obviously just more specific because it's really letting them know the time frame involved. So that's what the present progressive is. Now, you don't have to just say it in this way, because here's the thing, is if you say this the other way around, then basically it's the same thing. You could just say it without a comma. So it's like this: I will take my umbrella if it rains tomorrow. No comma. We can finish earlier if you help me. You may get a gift if you get there early. So, but if you're going to say it on the other side, then it's a conditional. So, now you know how to use conditionals. Hopefully that will help you. Keep watching. Subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming out. So keep practicing. You'll be fluent. If you just keep practicing, you'll get better day by day. So thanks for watching. For now, I'm out.